started out in October, learning where we've been. Maitland stories, roots and glory, where the dreams begin. Yesterday and tomorrow, all tied up today. Building something stronger every step along the way. November brought the vision, leaders paving roads, finding hidden resources, sharing every load. Neighbors helping neighbors, lifting up the town, turning inspiration into action all around. Hey! David, Faith, January, Mary, no foul. Leadership, Maitland, hear us sing it loud and proud. Side by side, together, standing strong above the crowd. Building bridges, making change, learning about our land. Class 5, forever rising, hand in hand. Oh, hand in hand. Firefighters, city leaders, serving for the people, keeping Maitland shining bright beneath the steeple. Arts and culture fill the winter, colors on display. Music, stories, creativity lighting up the way. Healthy minds and healthy bodies, caring for the soul. Who knew advanced health yoga would make us feel whole? Compassion for the region, and Mr. Rogers made our day. Learning that a little kindness goes a long, long way. David, Faith, January, Mary, no foul. Leadership, Maitland, hear us sing it loud and proud. Side by side, together, standing strong above the crowd. Building bridges, making change, understanding the Maitland brand. Class 5, forever rising, hand in hand. Oh, growth and preservation, balancing the scale, keeping Maitland's charm alive so future dreams won't fail. Thank you, Duke Energy, and thank you, Orange Blossom Law. We're stronger leaders because of you all. Hey! Woo, woo. Yeah, yeah. David, Faith, January, Mary, no foul. Leadership, Maitland, now the journey can